Sean, can you hear me?
4, 5. Where link host? Where link? What do you mean link?
Oh, you mean come up?
No.
Oh, no. Sorry, bud.
You're welcome. It is
But we're
criminal.
gonna play a game, and you're welcome to play with us.
This is
This
not
is gonna be
stream yet.
fun.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun. It's called "What's in My Bag," and mine is
Nag-
called "What's in My Hairy Bag." Because it's hairy.
What's my hairy bag?
What's in my hairy
Seven-
bag?
17. Okay na 17. Adela. Yes, we will do game, guys.
No, it's
What
not
is
StreamYard, bud. It's what is it, hon? What do you call it?
what's inside what's inside about?
No. It's not StreamYard. We have it's
Live together. Live together. This is live
Live
together
Together
only.
is what it's called. It's not StreamYard, so I can't bring 10 people up.
Yeah.
Just two.
Hello, Miles. Hello, guapa.
Miles.
Are you ready, guys? We will do games. What's inside the bag?
Let me check something real quick.
English or Filipino language only, please. English. When you need to speak English there or Tagalog, it's okay. I can translate. I can explain. But it's perfect if you speak English because my co-host is English.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, sometimes it's fine.
Hon, you want a little Dutch in you?
Huh?
You want a little Dutch in you?
Dutch? No. No Dutch. LV! Hello, LV
Elvie.
Guapa! Good evening, Guapa, Guapo, Sir Mike from Shane. Oy, LV. Korean, it's okay. No, Korean. 안녕하세요, Google Rich. Hello, guys. So, let's go na. We will type game. We will do 10, 10 rounds. 10 rounds.
Well, it's not going to be a guys and a girls because I don't have enough guys.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, G. Bye-bye.
Bye.
God bless. Thank you for coming. Thank you for
Yep.
speaking. Thank you,
Want to
thank
stick
you.
around for a minute to see how this game's played? That'd be cool.
Yes. We will do again. Wait a minute. I'll be love, I'll be rose.
Elvie's pussing out. She's
I
petering
can't
out.
stay Gapa Secretary today. It's okay. Tomorrow is your grand raffle. First grand raffle, right? For the PM. You need to sleep early. LB. Joanne, hello sis Joanne, welcome. Melvin, thank you. Joanne, thank you for coming back. Good night, Guapa. Yes. Okay. We will start now. Are you ready, Han?